Hi, welcome to Infomed's Medical channel. Today we will discuss Xanax Tablet. Uses of Xanax Tablet. Side effects of Xanax Tablet. And also contraindication of Xanax Tablet. And in the end, we will tell where you Xanax Tablet can be used in pregnancy, or during breastfeeding or not. So let's start this informative video. Xanax is a type of drug called a benzodiazepine, which contains the active drug alprazolam. Xanax tablet comes as an oral tablet in the strengths of 0.25 mg, 0.5 mg, 1 mg, and 2 mg. This tablet acts on the brain and central nervous system to produce a calming effect. What are the uses of Xanax Table? Xanax Table is used to treat anxiety disorders. It is also used for panic disorders and anxiety caused by depression. Sometimes Xanax tablets may be used for sedation to produce calming effects. What are the side effects of the Xanax tablet? By using the Xanax Table, a patient may develop some side effects. So tell your doctor if any of these symptoms are severe or do not go away. Changes in the pattern of speech, drowsiness, blurred vision, difficult or painful urination, headache, chest pain, acid or sour stomach, heartburn, drowsiness, tiredness, dizziness, difficulty concentrating. What are the dosages of Xanax tablet? For generalized anxiety disorder, the typical starting dosage of Xanax tablet is 0.25 mg to 0.5 mg, 3 times per day. And for panic disorder immediate release, the recommended starting dosage of Xanax tablet is 0.5 mg 3 times per day. What are the contraindications of the Xanax tablet? Do not use a Xanax tablet if you have hypersensitivity to benzodiazepines, psychoses, acute narrow-angle glaucoma, shock and coma, acute alcoholic intoxication with depression of vital signs. Do not use it during pregnancy because the Xanax tablet crosses the placenta, which causes the risk of congenital malformations in the newborn baby, labor and during delivery. What are the precautions and warnings for Xanax tablet? Don't use Xanax tablets during pregnancy. You should consult your doctor before starting this medicine. Xanax tablet may pass into breast milk, so Xanax tablets should not be used while breastfeeding. Bell, did you enjoy the video? If yes, thumbs up, hit the like button below and comment if you liked. Red circle, turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. Bell, subscribe for more Infomeds.